Thank you Saudi Arabian customers for purchasing our EA Flex Indoor Flexible LED display. This screen is extremely flexible and is especially suitable for occasions that require creative displays. EA Flex uses flexible LED modules, which allows you to freely build LED screens of various shapes to meet different visual needs. For example, you can create curved LED walls, cylindrical LED displays, wavy LED screens, and even irregular-shaped LED signs and spherical LED displays. This high degree of flexibility makes EA Flex an ideal choice for stage performances, exhibitions, commercials, and other fields. Whether it is a customized creative shape or a complex installation requirement, EA Flex can easily cope with it and provide perfect visual effects. Thank you again for the trust and support of Saudi Arabian customers. We look forward to more cooperation opportunities in the future and continue to provide you with innovative and high-quality LED display solutions.